Are you a Blender user looking to take your 3D projects to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a bunch of free Blender add-ons and generators that will help you create stunning visuals and effects in your projects. Fire Scatter. Creating photorealistic fire in Blender is a task that many find incredibly challenging. The process often involves spending hours adjusting simulation and shader settings, and despite these efforts, the results are often mediocre. This is where the Fire Scatter add-on for Blender comes into play. This handy tool enables users to scatter fire on a surface, simplifying the process of creating procedural fire. The add-on comes with an easily adjustable setting parameter, making it user-friendly and convenient. Whether you are enhancing an environment or working on an animation, the Fire Scatter add-on is designed to help you create realistic fire effects with ease. Real Terrain Blender Add-on. The Real Terrain Blender add-on is an innovative tool designed to simplify the process of terrain creation. This Blender add-on offers the capability to effortlessly generate terrain landscapes, an essential aspect of environment scene creation. What sets this add-on apart is its extensive variety, including more than 35 unique terrain styles. This allows users to customize and create diverse and intricate landscapes with minimal effort, making it a valuable asset in the field of 3D modeling and animation. Blender Rain Generator. The Blender Rain Generator is a cutting-edge tool that seamlessly infuses rain into any Blender scene. This complementary add-on, founded on geometry nodes, facilitates the fabrication of intricate and efficient rain scenes. The primary attributes of this tool encompass the capability to insert rain with merely a single click, apply a rain shader to any material, and regulate the density, height, splashes, and speed of the rainfall. Moreover, it accommodates wind effects and collisions, where splashes are directed based on the surface. It even provides an alternative for loop animation, rendering it a versatile and useful extension to your Blender toolkit. This rain generator enables the creation of realistic splashes with visually accurate collision and wind. It is also capable of generating thousands of individual raindrops that shatter into countless tiny splashes upon impact. ClothMaster. The ClothMaster is a free Blender add-on that revolutionizes the process of creating closed simulation, reducing the process to a mere second. This tool is ideal for a wide range of users from concept artists and designers to hobbyists, professionals, and amateurs. Among its key features are the collision function, which adds collision to the object, and the clothify function. When clothify is selected, the add-on automatically goes into edit mode, subdivides the object 10 times, applies subdivision surface 4:2 and shade smooth to the object, and finally adds cloth and enables self-collisions, all with a single click. The add-on also includes a Subdivide More button, which is perfect for when your object needs additional detail in the simulation, seamlessly adding more detail to your simulation with a single button press. Smoke Scatter Free Blender Add-on. Creating photorealistic smoke in Blender can be quite a daunting task, often requiring numerous hours of tweaking simulation and shader settings, and yet, the outcome may still be less than satisfactory. This is where the Smoke Scatter add-on for Blender proves to be invaluable. This useful tool allows users to scatter smoke over a surface, thereby streamlining the process of generating procedural smoke. The add-on is equipped with an easily adjustable setting parameter, making it user-friendly and highly convenient. Regardless of whether you're improving an environment or working on an animation, the Smoke Scatter add-on is specifically designed to assist you in effortlessly creating realistic smoke effects. Free Spaceship Procedural Shader. The Free Spaceship Procedural Shader for Blender represents the creative potential of any 3D artist or designer. With its limitless possibilities in terms of spaceship design, this procedural shader stands out from the crowd due to its free usage in any kind of project, be it personal or commercial. This tool is the perfect companion for sci-fi texturing, empowering artists to generate breathtaking sci-fi models and renders. More than just a tool, the Free Spaceship Procedural Shader for Blender is a portal through which one can unleash boundless creativity and imagination into the realm of 3D design. PSD-LAYERS. The PSD-LAYERS free Blender add-on is a powerful tool designed to streamline the hand-painting texture process in Blender. Recognizing that many artists prefer to focus on the artistry of painting rather than the technical aspects of shading nodes, this add-on automatically handles node connections, offering users increased control over their painting. It includes features like layers, blending modes, and opacity. Always free, PSD-LAYERS allows artists to paint their textures in layers similar to Photoshop or Krita, with control over blending modes, opacity, visibility, and more. Furthermore, this add-on is light and fast as it exclusively uses standard Blender shader nodes, eliminating the need to create and edit complicated shader nodes. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, PSD-LAYERS empower you to unleash your creativity and create stunning hand-painted textures for your 3D projects with ease and speed. Checkpoint. Checkpoint is an innovative Blender add-on designed by Flowerboy Studio that revolutionizes the way users save their progress. Much like in a video game, Checkpoint allows users to save their work without the need to shuffle through various backup files. This free add-on introduces an integrated backup manager directly within the software, facilitating the creation and management of multiple saved files. Users can also add descriptions to each file for easy identification. The Checkpoints panel provides an overview of all saved backups for the current project, and users can revert to any checkpoint at their convenience and continue their work without disruption. Moreover, transferring objects between checkpoints is as simple as copying and pasting. Users can modify checkpoint descriptions, export checkpoints, delete checkpoints to conserve disk space, and even search for a specific checkpoint by its description. The add-on also enables users to save different versions of textures by packing external resources. Checkpoint truly simplifies the task of managing progress in Blender. KaioToon 6, Blender EV-Toon Shader. The KaioToon 6, Blender EV-Toon Shader is an innovative add-on that simplifies the process of creating rendering toon outlines in Eevee. It offers a quick and easy method, which ranges from setting up a basic inverted hull to fabricating a custom shader-based outline that dynamically responds to light intensity. The creation of a toon shader with full control over its colors is easily achievable within a few clicks. One of the standout features of this add-on includes its 6 free anime shaders for Blender. These shaders can greatly assist you in producing high-quality graphics for your upcoming projects. Procedural Surface Caustics Shader. The Procedural Surface Caustics Shader is a powerful tool that breathes life into real-time underwater caustics. It operates seamlessly in both Eevee and Cycles and harmonizes perfectly with the real-time physical caustics from its parent add-on, Shaders Plus. This shader is versatile and can be used in a myriad of scenarios, be it pools, oceans, lakes, rivers, or even abstract concepts that you can concoct. The Procedural Surface Caustics shader has recently been updated with a new feature set that includes Project Real-Time Caustics with the innovative Light Node Group feature. By simply enabling nodes on your lights and integrating this new group, you can create stunning results. The update also comes with a treasure chest of new features, such as a rebuilt exposure clamp, rebuilt dispersion for light nodes, a new Z-axis mask, and new node group defaults. Try the free demo today or go for the full pro version to truly unleash your creativity.